breaking fuck the news, do me a favor and lock the fuck in. For one time, I need you to watch this video, not because I want to get paid, because this information is important. And at the end of this video, I want you to comment or ask yourself how it made you feel at the end. Anger after ICE agent sees a high school intern, 16 years old, at Rhode Island court in mistaken identity error. The only reason why this teen didn't ultimately end up in a facility was because a judge happened to be the one to take them home. If this 16-year-old was not with a judge, it would have been left very quickly. Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents have infuriated Rhode Island's governor, senator, and its state Supreme Court Chief Justice after officers detained a high school state house intern on suspicion that they were an illegal immigrant. Recordings of the incident show ICE agents detaining the teen who was traveling from the state house to his school as part of an internship in the Rhode Island Superior Court. The teen was being driven to school by a judge when ICE agents intercepted them. Governor Dan McKee called the incident indefensible in a statement. ICE agents wrongfully detained a high school intern outside the Superior Court, an outrageous and indefensible act that could have completely upended a young person's life. A court staffer familiar with the situation told CNN that the situation began inside the courtroom where ICE agents were taking photos of the high schooler. Officers reportedly asked the individual to stop taking photos of the people inside of the courtroom, which is when the individual identified themselves as an ICE agent. It is unclear why the ICE agent was taking photos. The student was reportedly disturbed by the incident, prompting the Superior Court Associate Justice Joseph McBurney to offer the student a ride back to his school. Before the judge could leave with the student, ICE agents surrounded his car. The footage shows at least 6 agents descending upon the vehicle and asking the teen and the judge to exit the car. Approximately 30 seconds later, a federal agent can be seen on video restraining the intern's hands and escorting him away as protesters shout at the agents. "He's a fucking kid," one protester can be heard yelling in the video. McBurney explained to the agent that the teen is an intern at the court and they made a mistake, according to CNN, citing the staffer. The intern was taken across the street and was later released after ICE verified his identity, according to the Rhode Island Judiciary Committee. This is so dangerous. This is not a part of the article. They didn't even know who the fuck they were looking for. They were just grabbing anybody who looked Hispanic. A spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security reportedly told CNN that its agents have been searching for a child predator and briefly questioned somebody who resembled the target. But that individual was never taken into custody or arrested. ICE has been criticized for stalking around courthouses and schools looking for people to abduct. Their tactics have become more commonplace that protesters